Okay, the previous classes we have so far discussed the different methods, model 1, model 2, model 3, like that I was mentioned that. The last class we discussed the methodology a cos x plus b sin x plus c pi d cos x plus e sin x plus f. For this I told you the method. The numerator we need to replace by a into dy dx of your denominator plus b into denominator plus a. Then after equate your sin x coefficients, then cos x coefficients, and a constants. You need to find out the value of ABC. Then after you resubstitute here, then after that the numerator you need to replace by this value. Then continue that. That is the thing I was cleared. This. Then after that we have to go for a next methods. The next methods are like a partial fractions. Before going to that method, I need to discussed something else. I was left in the questions of 6th D exercise. Exercise 6th D, some problems I left. So those I should cover first. Then after I'll enter into the next method. The sixth D Telugu Academy textbook. The first bit is finished. Second bit also complete finished. Please go for line by line. Third bit also I think I was cleared. Okay. Third bit, there are sixth problem I think so. The sixth problem did I discuss with you? Sixth problem. Third bit, the sixth problem.
Third bit, sixth problem.
1 by 1 plus x.
Yes,
If
sir.
not, I'll give the logic, then you move forward. 3 plus 2x minus x square. This is the case I was given the logic. 1 plus x is equal to t square you take. Then you continue that. This is discussion is done, I think so. So please check the problem because I was
Yes,
already
sir.
discussed. Then 7th finished, 8th also finished, 9th finished, 10th, 11th, 12th,
Finish, sir.
12th also
Yesterday you
finished.
said, sir,
Yeah.
10th one.
11th finished already.
Sir.
12th also finished by multiplying the denominator with the same number. If not, please watch previous videos. 13th question I didn't discuss. So let us, I'll take a 13th question. Let's try it now. The 6th D, we should enter into 13th question.
Same question like 6th one, sir. Only plus minus will change.
So for these questions, 1 minus x under root of 2 minus 2x minus x square. For this case, you can take 1 minus x is equal to t square. As like the thing, the question is like sixth question. You can take it as 1 minus x is equal to t square. Some people, if you want to get answer easy way, some other people they are taken some other methods. They are 1 minus x is equal to 1 by t. Also, you get the same answer. Because our convenient to take it out 1 minus x is equal to t square or 1 minus x is equal to 1 by t, nothing matter about that. Our intention is to simplify the question easy way. Our aim is what the question is in terms of x, we cannot do directly. To make it simple, we are converted into the entire question into in terms of x. Am I clear? In terms of t, sorry, in terms of t, the question is in x, we are unable to go directly. So to make it a simple question, a simpler question, the question in terms of x we are converted into in terms of t's. In terms of t's. Okay. After converting in terms of t, the question it look like a little easy method. You apply the in terms of t your integration. If it is t, if it is not sufficient, you can go for other take it in terms of z. If it is in terms of y. So whatever the any number of terms, you interchange your question according to your convenient. Number of trips x to t, t to z, z to y, y to s does not matter. Which variables, which simplification you feel it is simple, you can integrate. Then after that you need to replace. Instead of y is there, you can go for z. Then after z you can go for t. Then after t go for x. The answer should be in x only. That is the way you can move forward. Okay, like this or like this, you can take and move forward. You'll get an answer 13th one. Then at then I'll go for a 14th one. The 14th question, number 14th. So simple, it is 1 by the dx by x plus 2 under root of x plus 1. So this is a model you can take as like a simple same model. X plus whatever it is there inside the this one you can take in the root you can take it out. X plus 1 is equal to t square. So what you're going to get it out? X plus 2 you want to replace. So what you get? X plus 1 plus 1 is equal to t square plus 1. Nothing but x plus 2 is there. You can replace with t square plus 1. This is clear for this. So root of x plus 1, you can write t square. Then dx is required. That is what I got to derive this one. So dx d by dx of x is 1. So dx is equal to 2t and dt. Am I clear? So then you replace now, instead of dx you write 2t dt, integration 2t dt. Then instead of x plus 2 I wrote is t square plus 2, t square plus 1. Then instead of root of x plus 1 is 1, so what under root of x plus 1 is equal to nothing but x plus 1 is within. From this you can write x plus 1 root nothing but t, you can write. So t is there till this, no doubt. So t cancel. The question is simple, it's like 2 I should take out. So dt by x square plus a square model. Clear? So what is the question of that? 1 by under root of x square plus 1 square. So 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So tan inverse t by 1 it is. So 2 into tan inverse, what's the value of t kana? Under root of x plus 1. So I wrote
X
under
plus
root
1.
of x plus 1 plus c. Your answer is going to finish now. Clear? The question is x, it is little typical, so that I was converted the entire question into in terms of t. Whatever it is there x, what the value is there, you can substitute and do it out. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's good. Now we switch on to the next question, question number 15. The question number 15 also look like integration by dx by under thing is that 2x plus 3 under root of x plus 2. It is simple model as like a similar question as is you can take. What is you can take? Just x plus 2 is equal to t square. Okay, then dx is equal to 2t dt. Here you want 2x plus 3, right? I can write directly from here x is equal to t square minus 2. It's very simple to substitute it is. So I cannot take much risk on that. So directly enter into the question. Integration dx is there. Dx means
2t dt.
2 dt by 2 times of x is what? T square minus 2 plus 3. I can simplify. Now this is where I place t. Then directly cancel your t. Now integration 2 I took out. So dt by 2t square minus 4 plus 3. So continuation of integration 2 I should take common. Dt by 2t square minus 1. Yes, this is written. So this I cannot go. 2 I should take common out. So 2 by integration 2 I should take common 2. So I will take 2 out. What's the come? T square minus 1 by 2 I got 2 to cancel. The question is look like dt by t square 1 by 2 I write 1 in terms of whole square. So I'll nothing is there. I'll make it root. I'll make it square. So this question is look like integration 1 by under root of a square x square minus a square. So I'll write in the next page integration dt by t square minus 1 by root 2 whole square. This question is look like integration dt dx by x square minus a square. What is the formula, Nana? I think we have a formula integration 1 by x square minus a square dx. What is the formula? Please tell me. 1 by 2a.
1 by 2a log of x. Yes, sir. Log
Yeah.
of x minus a by x plus a.
X
plus
minus a by x plus a plus a. So here for your sake of understanding, this is the value of a, this is the value of x. So please continue to substitute your answers. 1 by 2 into a is this one, 1 by 2a log of x plus a. So t minus a by t plus a plus a. But extension of your simplification you can do. I don't want to do it. So you can continue the homework extension of simplification. Okay, that is clear. I think so. Now let us. I'll move to the next question. I'll give the logics mostly. If it is you're not unfit. So 1 by root x plus x minus x square dx. So this is some little tricky. I'll give the logic to you. You are very fresh. So I'll take it x is equal to t square. So from this, what can I write? Root x is equal to t. I should expect it is. So x square is there. Wherever x square is there, I can write t power 4. because x is equal to t square, root x is equal to t, x square is equal to, I can write this one, t power 4. This is the clear. Then I
Yes,
should
sir.
write to dx means dx is equal to 2t dt. These are all simplification I done. Let us, I'll try to substitute it is here. Dx is our 2t dt integration 2t dt numerator. The denominator is 1 plus root x means t. X means what can you say? T square. X square means t power 4. This LKG things we got off. Still any questions?
No, sir.
Or something I'm doing wrong? 1 plus t. It's clear, everything is fine. Okay, right. Now next, 2t dt by 1 plus t. Next, in this I'll take t square is common. What are you going to get? T square is common? 1 minus t
1
square.
minus t square.
So here this t going to cancelling out. It is very clear. Or something else it is left. I think something we have missed the question. Sorry for interrupt you. What is the question? It is there. Question something it is there. Try to receive it. Is some textbook it is there. This is the correct question. This is a root is there. Please get it out. Your question. Is it clear? Here root is there. Question. Please find
Yes,
the text. Yeah.
Yes,
Here
sir.
we missed out. This is a root. Okay. So here t square is there. T square can it come out t. It t. This two is cancelled. Okay.
2 gets common.
Okay. T and t square will
Yes.
come out 2 together. The question, the next case question is 2 dt by 1 plus t into 1 minus t square. Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
And the root is there. Still I'm missing. Okay. Then I'll rewrite the question next page. The 2 dt by 1 minus t into under root of 1 minus t square. 1 plus t. 1 plus t into root of 1 minus t. This is a separate question. You fill it. This is a separate question.
Yes, sir.
Here we cannot go again directly. Here what I should do, this is the model, what I should do, I told you the previous lesson, 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 you can take, or else t square also no problem, you'll get out. So I'm taking for a second method, 1 plus t is equal to 1 by z I'll take, I like. So from this t is equal to, I can write 1 by z minus 1. Okay, when I go for dt,
Yes.
dt is equal to 1 by x is nothing minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by z square is equal to dz. This is clear. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
still anything else? 1 minus t square it is you want, right? So because I wanted to go for 1 minus t also. 1 plus t means you can write z. 1 minus t square. So 1 minus t square means what can I write? 1 minus t is equal to 1 by z minus 1 whole square. This I should simplify 1 minus a minus b whole square. Then after minus 1, you are going to get 2z minus 5z square. Just to simplify, I'll get this answer. So I'm rewriting 2 into dt is equal to what? 1 by minus 1 by z square into dz. By 1 plus t is equal to what? 1 by z. Under root of 2z by z square. Clear? So
Yes.
here it is 1 z square is the denominator. This is a z square. So 2 z square z power 4 we think, so you'll get it out. So let us after the simplification, if anything else, okay, let's cancel. Here it is z square is there. This z square cancel. Here one z cancel. Here it, if you take a root of this one z will cancel. Here z square, this z square will cancel. Okay. The simplified question minus 2 into